I'm going about 42. This is a 50 zone, but it's residential, so I'm going a little bit slower. I'm driving for the conditions. I can't see past these parked cars here, so I'm taking it a little bit easier. I'm coming up to a stop sign. I can go right up to the edge of the road because there's no lines or sidewalk here, but I don't want to charge at the pedestrian, so I'm going to let them pass and then come up here and make a full stop. Check around, shoulder check left, and proceed. Lots of pedestrians on this road, so I'm going to take it easy, staying centered. Even if it means being on the oncoming traffic side a bit, it's worth giving these pedestrians lots of room, especially when they have their back to us. They can't really see what's coming at them. Then I tuck back over to my side, so full stop at the stop sign. I'm gonna creep and peep because I can't see anything here. Now I can see it's clear. Now I get ready to go. So I'm going into a 30 zone here, so that's a hard 30. I want to try to keep between 25 to 30, and as soon as I see 29 or 30, I start thinking about possibly covering my brake.